You hear that thunder roaring right there? This is a sign of an intensifying thunderstorm here in Rockingham County, southwest of Harrisonburg towards the Dayton Autobahn area. You saw that lightning. You also can see some very heavy rain right there. That lowering showing an intensifying updraft moving into the Bridgewater area. This is moving very slowly at about 10 miles an hour due east, possibly southeast towards the Dayton, Mount Crawford area. This is showing some intensifying lightning as well. This thunderstorm is increasing in intensity, and we could see some very heavy rain along I-81 any moment. Have a way to receive flash flood and severe thunderstorm warnings as this moves into the area. The Shenandoah Valley could see some severe thunderstorms into the afternoon and evening hours. The prefrontal cells would be the strongest, but the cold front will move in, bringing another severe threat in a couple hours. Y'all be safe out there. Try to stay off the roads as these storms move into the area.